There's a test tornado warning.
This test tornado warning is conducted to
camera.
allow schools, businesses, emergency managers, and the public to exercise their tornado safety procedures. Once again, this practice test tornado warning message will remain in effect until 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
South Carolina
There will
statewide
be no
tornado
follow-up
drill.
statements issued. This concludes the test tornado warning message from the National Weather Service. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. And now taking up.
Sorry if my clock's a little bit off, but it's supposed to be 9 a.m. already.